Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are looking at the theory part of the mathematics question. We are at 13B, and it's a series. For other solutions in the series, please check my channel. They are very much available. The question says a bookseller had 650 copies of a book for sale. The books are marked at 75 naira per copy in order to make a profit of 30%. A man bought 300 copies at 5% discount. If the remaining copies are sold at 75 naira each, calculate the percentage profit the bookseller would make on the whole. Now, the first thing we should do is to calculate the amount of that copy, amount of that book, if they were all sold at 75 naira. And that will lead us to cost at 75 naira. So this will be 650 multiplied by 75, and that gives us 48,750. Now, the next thing we have to look for is the cost price of the book without the profit. Remember, we were told that 30%, after getting 30% in profit, gives us this. So the cost of the books without 30% profit. So that will now become 130 over 100 multiplied by the cost price equals 40,750. This is the total cost of the book plus the profit, and divided by the 100%. So that will now give us 130 CP equals 48750 multiplied by 100. So the cost price will now become 48750 divided by 130. So this zero cancel this. So at the end of the day, we got 37,500. So this is the cost of the book, 650 copies without any profit. Now, the next thing we have to look for is to look for the price of the book that was sold at 5% discount. A man bought 300 copies. The 300 copies that were sold at 5% discount. Now, cost of 300 copies sold at 5% discount. Now, the cost of the book is 100%. So if we remove 5% from 100%, that gives us 95%. So that is 95 divided by 100 multiplied by 75. So after the calculation, this gives us 71 naira 25 copy. So this is the copy of 1. So that will now become 71.25 multiplied by 300. So this gives us 21,375. So 300 copies were sold for 21,375 naira at 71 naira 25 kobo, which is the 5% discount. Now the cost of the remaining, which was sold for 75 naira, that is 650 minus 300. So 350 was sold for 75 naira. That is 350 multiply by 75, and 350 multiplied by 75 gives us 26,250 naira. So what is the cost of sales? Sales now becomes 26,250 plus, this is the cost for 350 and plus 21,375, and that gives us 47,000 naira 625 naira. Now this is the sales. Now the cost of the book is said to be 37,500. So the next thing is to calculate the profit. What profit does it make? The profit will now become 47,625 naira minus 37,500. So this gives us 52101. So 10,125 naira. So that is the profit. But the question is saying you should calculate the percentage profit the bookseller would make on the whole. So to get the percentage interest, so percentage of the profit, percentage of the profit will now become profits all over the cost price multiplied by 100. Now let me rub this so we can write on this other side. So our profit is 10,125 all over the cost price, which is 37,500 multiplied by 100. So this zero, this cancel this. So this gives us 27. So the percentage is 27%. So that is the profit, the percentage profit that the bookseller makes. So for any question on this, please feel free to put it in the comment section. For any query whatsoever, put it in the comment section. I will definitely address it. Till I see you next time, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much.